I've been tested, carry dreams no one could see. Late nights praying for direction, still believing there's more for me. I've been knocked down, still I rise with a fire deep inside. I don't quit when things get heavy. I was built for this life. I got people counting on me. I've got reasons to be strong. This is bigger than the struggle. This is why I keep going on. This is why I show every day, even when the road feels long. I'm building hope, I'm changing lives, turning pain into a song. I'm not here just for the money, I'm here for freedom, faith and love. This is my why, this is my purpose, this is why I never give up. I've seen fear try to stop me, heard the doubts, heard the noise, but I chose belief over comfort, and I chose to use my voice. I'm building something that matters, legacy over today. If my story lights the way for one soul, then it's worth every step I take. If you're tired, if you're broken, if you're searching just like me, know your season is still coming. You were meant for more. Believe. This is why I show up every day with my heart open wide. I'm walking proof that change is real when you don't quit on your why. I'll keep rising, I'll keep sharing till the world feels what I feel. This is my why, this is my calling, this is why I do what I do. This is why I show up. I've been tired, I've been tested, carry dreams no one could see. Late nights praying for direction, still believing there's more for me. I've been knocked down, still I rise with a fire deep inside. I don't quit when things get heavy. I was built for this life. I got people counting on me. I've got reasons to be strong. This is bigger than the struggle. This is why I keep going on.
Hello, hello, hello.
This is why I show up.
So, ready na ba kayo guys? Hello, hello everyone. I see Gemma. I see Marie watching. Okay, so, let's see. So, today time check tayo guys. Okay, before we start, check muna natin ang ating volume ng ating music at saka yung volume ng aking mic. Marie and Gemma, how is my voice? Is the music overpowering or okay lang tayo? Type loud and clear kung loud and clear ako. Good evening, Coach Pinky. Yes. Good evening sa inyo dyan. Good morning sa akin. Okay, pakitype if loud and clear tayo, guys. Excited ba kayo? Excited ba kayo? Is it loud and clear? So guys, it's January 29, 2026 tayo. Okay, hindi ko nakikitang nag-loud and clear kayo guys. Am I loud and clear? Wanna make sure before we start, okay? So, time check. It's about 10:35 in the morning and it's January 29. Alright? Type kayo kung if it's loud and clear. I didn't see any loud and clear. Loud and clear ba ako, guys? Loud and clear. Is it loud and clear? Thank you. Yes, loud and clear. Thank you sa mga nag-type ng loud and clear. Thank you, Angel Yuri. Alright? Okay. How about my music? Is it good? Alright. So, okay, start na tayo. So, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depende kung nasaan kayo sa mundong ito. Diba? Guys, ang lamig-lamig dito guys sa Florida, no? So, if you are watching this live, comment live kayo dyan, guys. If you are watching live, comment live. And if you're watching replay, comment replay. Before anything else, reminded lang tayo, this is a safe space tayo, guys. Safe space. No pressure, no forcing, no judgment. Tonight is about learning. We are not doing anything here. Okay, watching from Polonoling Tupi, South Cotabato, Philippines. Robert Vlogs, Gemma Concepcion Dan, loud and clear sabi ni Coach Robert. Thank you, Coach Robert. Les Kikimpan, yes, loud and clear, Coach. Thank you, J. Will. Dan. Hello, Coach. Yes, J. Will. Okay, thank you sa ating mga patala dyan. Yuri and Lizera Marie. Alright, thank you for joining. Okay, excited ba kayo to learn something new today? So, bago tayo mag-start, raffle guidelines muna tayo, okay? Para sa mga bago na nagjo-join dito, okay? Watching from, ni Leslie, Polonoling, South Cotabato. Alright, watching Tupi, South Cotabato. Okay, raffle guidelines. Okay? Let me say this very clear para walang malito. Okay? To join the raffle, you must be present in the live. You must interact, like comment, respond, participate during my live. You must follow me as well in training, and of course type Dan. Okay? You have to react as well. Okay? So really, to make sure, okay? You join my live, you interact during my live, you react during my live, you share during my live, and you type Dan. Ayun, ang mga nag-type Dan, thank you. Sigurado na, nag-ano na kayo dyan, no? Maano na kayo sa aking raffle. Kasi, so, ang makasali sa aking raffle, whoever join my live, January 26 to 31, okay? Masali sa raffle, okay? And I'll be picking 5 winner for 1,000 peso and 4 winners for 500, okay? 5 winners for 1,000, 4 winners for 500. So, i-clear ko dito na hindi ito bayaran, hindi ito sa pilitan. It's my way of saying thank you to those who show up during my live. Alright. Yes, okay. Thank you, Jam, for typing live. So, watching live si Jam. Let's say, watching live. Okay. Okay, so anong goal natin today, guys? Ang goal natin by the end of this live, dapat makagawa kayo ng isang video using one photo lang from start to finish. Okay, gamit ang group. Okay? So, hindi kailangan perfect tayo. Hindi dapat na viral agad, no? Pero, ang ano natin is real progress. Okay? Slowly, pero natututo tayo. Okay? So, post ka lang ng post and later on, kakaroon na rin. Kasi sometimes, mahirap na may gusto kang sasabihin pero hindi ka parang ayaw mong magsalita, no? Kasi, yung ano ko. Pero, at least, ito pwedeng gawin through your picture. Okay? So, I mean, Bakit? Why not, right? Why not gamitin natin ang technology? Uso naman ngayon ng AI, di ba? Alright. So, relax lang tayo. Okay? Kung hindi ka techie, kung hindi ka talagang marunong mag-edit, hindi mo kailangan maging creative genius dito. Okay? If marunong kang mag-download ng app, kaya mo to. Okay? So tonight, I will not teach everything. Okay? One goal lang tayo today. Okay? One photo, one video, tapos ready na i-post. Okay? Alright, handa na ba kayo? Alright, watching live, Gemma. Okay, kung handa na kayo, okay, type dyan ready para maano na natin. Okay? Type ready. Okay, mag-ano muna tayo. Number 1, kung handa na kayo guys, type kayo ready para mag-start na tayo. Alright, thank you coach. Nagawa ko yung video ko. Right, nakita ko nga ang cute-cute ng video mo, Leslie. And if you did not notice, nag-post ako ng video kanina. Gawa yun sa, ano yun guys, sa template ko yung kinuha. Okay? So, ang gawin nyo lang kasi, yung training natin kahapon, ang gawin nyo lang kasi, tingnan nyo lang, maraming mga, sabi ko nga, tingnan mo kung ano yung vibe mo, yung parang gusto ko to, parang fit ito sa akin, you know? Tingnan mo rin, huwag ka na lang post ng post kung hindi yung style mo. Of course, right? Tingnan mo, okay, parang style ko ta. Okay. So, yung video ko, ang nakaano doon about coffee. So, naisip ko, okay, mag-picture ako ng naghawak ako ng coffee. Okay, nag-picture ako, naghawak ako ng coffee. Tapos nilagay ko sa joke. So, para akong nagsasalita. And then yun, nilagay ko. Di parang ako, you know what I mean? So, ganun ka-easy, guys. Yung isip mo lang kasi parang maglalaro. Okay, anong dapat kong gawin ito? Oh, mas maganda ganito. Alright. Okay, ready na kayo? Ready? That's good. Ready? Okay. So, ang gawin ko, I'll be sharing, okay? Pero bago tayo mag-start, okay, game 1 muna tayo. Type game 1 kung gusto nyo mag-game 1. Okay? Pero after this game 1, next game natin, after na mag-training ako. Pero ito, gusto kong game 1, kung gusto nyo ng game 1 tayo para ko sa inyo. And I'll be picking number 20 sa ating game 1. Ang tanong ko dito guys, sa game 1 natin. Type kayo guys, game 1. Reynold. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching, Reynold. Bago ka ba dito? Kung bago ka dito, no? Are you Tagalog or are you Filipino? So what I'm saying is, if you want to join our raffle, okay? So the raffle is how to join with our raffle. You need to join my live, interact during my live, react, meaning like, love my like, and then you share my live, and then you comment or you type done during my live, okay? So that's it. And then I have some games, so you interact and you will be fine. Okay. Game 1. Ang daming gusto mag-game 1. Yes. Game 1. Okay. Sabi ni Leslie, game 1 tayo. Grabs. Okay, Gemma. Alright. Marie. Janice. Bibonis. Okay. Filipino from California. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good. I'm here in Florida, USA. Alright. So, anong oras na kayo? Early dyan sa inyo, no? Anong oras dyan sa inyo sa California? 3 hours yata kayo earlier than 9. So, you are like, anong oras mo? 7? 10? 9? Ewan ko. Hindi ko makan. Alright, game 1. Sabi ni Jewel. Okay. So, pero, if you are in California, baka hindi mo na to gusto yung peso, no? Pwede na rin ibigay na lang natin sa ating mga Filipino friends na nandoon sa Philippines, no? At least we will help them. But you can still, hey Reynold, you can still enjoy and interact with us, okay? Okay? 7:45? Alright, yes, 7:45. Ang aga-aga, no? 3 hours, 7, 8, 9. Hindi na ako marunong mag-type. Okay, let's have a game. Number 1 game, okay? I-type ninyo, okay, Ano bang i-type dito? Okay. Gusto ko malaman kung may group na kayo na app sa inyong phone, okay? Okay? Type it kung meron. Kung wala, say no. Okay? Group, kung meron, no, kung wala. Okay? Para maano natin, para malaman ko kung sinong may group na ready na dito to use it or wala pa. Para ipaano ko kayo, i-ano natin, no? Okay? Type kayo, kung meron na kayong group, type group. Kung wala, G-R-O-K. G as in golf, R-O-K. Okay, kung wala pa, okay. Wala pa si Brabs, okay. Wala si Leslie, meron na. Okay, meron na. Okay, sino pa? Type kayo, I'm picking number 20. Okay, kasi ito yung game natin. Okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, wala na. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I got Gemma Concepcion. Number 20. Gem, you have extra raffle entry, okay? Gemma, congratulations. Okay. So, wala, no? Wala. Okay. Ang gawin natin, guys, since, ewan kung ginagamit nyo, are you using your phone? Pero kung you are using your phone, i-show ko dito, no? Pero I know you cannot follow me because you are watching my live. Not unless kung meron kayong another gadget, ganun. Pero, if you don't have, ang gagawin ko, guys, I'll show you how to like kung wala kang group, i-ano natin, i-show ko dito sa aking phone para makita nyo, okay? And then you just keep typing para mamaya babasahin ko, okay? While I'm doing this kasi parang i-ano ko kasi para diretso-diretso yung training natin, no? Para hindi kayo mawala. Okay. So ang gagawin ko, i-ano ko, i-show ko sa inyo sabay-sabay, okay? Sabay-sabay. It's either you can follow me, if not, then you can activate. May activate ako. Ano ba ito? Ewan ko ha, bakit may activate a star party daw, oh. Bumigay na kayo ng star kung bakit lumabas yan. Hindi ko alam. But anyway, ito. Start tayo and then you follow me. If wag hindi kayo mag-follow, you can do replay later and gawin nyo. Okay? So I'm gonna share my screen sa other phone ko para ipakita ko sa inyo how we do it. Okay? Dali mo lang. Type lang kayo ha. Type lang kayo dyan, guys. Okay? Alright, I see Isabella Salvador is watching. Okay. So, watch lang kayo kung paano ko gagawin. And if in case hindi nyo ma-follow through today kasi nga you're watching me live, you can replay. You can watch the replay and you can do it and follow, okay? So, ayun. Nakikita nyo, sandali, kung pwede bang iliit ko mukha ko. Ganun pa rin, no? Right. Okay, so ano ba yun? Sandali guys ha, sandali. Kasi hindi ko na agad na ano agad ang ayun. Okay. So, at first, no, ang gawin natin first, guys, is thank you, Coach Isabel. Alright, done, share. Alright, so, first, guys, ang importante, download muna natin yung group. Kung wala kang group, okay, ito pakita ko. So, anong dapat gawin? Siyempre, punta ka doon sa yung App Store or Play Store, and then, hanapin natin. So, ang gagawin, punta tayo sa akin kasi Android ako, nakalagay dyan Play Store, okay? Pero kung Apple ka, so you will go to your App Store. Okay, kung nakikita mo tong cursor ko guys, nakikita nyo, no? Nag-move yung cursor ko. So, search natin, okay? Dyan, i-click nyo yung search na yan. Okay? And then, dito sa taas, okay? May nakalagay search. So, i-type nyo ito. G-R-O-K. Okay? So, yan, oh. Yun. Okay? So, i-click mo yan. So, lalabas ng ganun. Okay. Kung wala pa sa phone nyo, of course, ang nakalagay dito, install. Okay? Pero sa akin, open. Kasi, nasa phone ko na. Okay? So, kung wala pa, kung install, i-install nyo. And then, huwag mamadali, i-wait nyo until it's done, okay? Pagkatapos yung lalabas yung open. So ngayon i-open na natin kung ready na yung yung app. Kung nakalagay open, so i-open. I-open natin. So ang lalabas niyan ganyan siya, guys. Okay? So after download, pag i-open yung group, ganyan ang lalabas, no? So pwede ka mag-login using your Google, using your Apple, using your email. Okay? So, ito siya guys. Kung gusto mong basic use lang, walang bayad. Okay? Kung mag-upgrade ka, may bayad na. Pero, for me, I've been using it. It's free. So, okay siya. Maganda siya. Okay? So, once nasa loob ka na, huwag kang mag-overwhelm ha. Kasi hindi mo kailangang pindutin lahat. Focus lang tayo dito. Focus. Okay? So, okay. So, ngayon, i-continue ko with Google kasi gagamitin ko yung Google account ko, no? So, continue. Tapos, pili ka lang like this one. This is I'm using at the top, right? So, ganyan ang lalabas. Okay? So, pero before, i-remember ito ha, isulat nyo ito guys. Before kayo gagawa, dapat naka-prepare na kayo ng one photo. Okay? Before kayo gumawa ng video, dapat nasa nyo na. Gallery nyo na, may picture na kayo naka-ready, okay? Kailangan natin ng one photo lang, okay? Pwedeng picture mo, pwedeng product photo, pwedeng quote, pwedeng screenshot, anything. Basta one photo lang, okay? And then, i-ano natin. So, kung ready ka na, then let's do our next step, okay? So, pwede na tayong mag-create ng video using our group. So, step 1 is, of course, upload ng photo. Okay? So, once ma-upload mo na yan, ito na, ipakita ko sa inyo. So, pag lalabas ng ganyan, guys, no? Nakita mo yung sa taas, may create videos, edit image, mobile. So, dami-dami, guys. But ang goal natin is to create one video. This is our goal today. Create video only. So, yun itap natin. Ito yung itap natin, create videos. Okay? So, i-click yan. Pag i-click mo na yan, lalabas ang ganyan. Okay? Now, kung nakita mo dito, see all, i-ano mo lang, see all mo lang para makita mo yung mga picture na naka-ano na sa ano nyo. So, sa akin, may na-ready na akong photo. Ito, no? So, ito. So, yun ang gagamitin ko. So, i-click mo lang yan. Okay? And then, kung i-preview mo, ganito ang labas. Kung i-preview mo. Ipakita lang yung picture kung ano. Okay? So, done ka lang. Okay? So, itong sa baba dito, kasi continue na tayo, no? So, i-click nyo lang yung done. Tapos guys, automatic na yan siya mag-generate, okay? Wala pa yung prompt. So kung tingnan natin kung anong resulta sa generate niya automatic. After this, pwede rin tayong i-command natin yung picture, okay? Kung may sarili tayong prompt, okay? Pero this time, kung wala kang prompt, gusto mo lang...
Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share something new with you today. Let's dive right in. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share something new with you today. Let's dive right in. Hi everyone, I'm so
stop ko muna. So, i-type nyo nga guys, naririnig nyo ba yung sound ng video na ginawa ko? Type nyo daw guys kung naririnig nyo. I-type nyo daw kung naririnig nyo yung voice ng video. Kanina. I-play ko uli ha.
Excited to share something new with you today. Let's dive right in. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share something new with you today. Let's dive right in.
Ayan. Opo, narinig. Okay. Sige. So, tingnan nyo guys. Nagsasalita siya, no? Nagsalita siya. Wala tayong command. Okay?
Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share something new with you today. Let's dive right in. Hi everyone,
Okay. Now, kung gusto nyo ayoko ng ganun, gusto ko may sasabihin siya. Like, you can also do that. Okay? So, ang gawin natin, mag-type tayo dito sa baba, dito, type customize video. Pwede mo siyang i-command. Okay? Like, for example, make her, i-try natin. Kasi ang ginagawa ko kasi sa akin lang. Always na ginagawa ko, isang picture ko lang, tapos i-command ko siya, sabihin ko na, sandali, kung meron ba ako ready. So ito yun. So, natural expression, gusto ko natural expression lang yan. Wag yung so much dramatic, right? And make her say, hi guys, excited na ba kayo? Try natin to ha, kung pwede ha. Kasi kung hindi naman maganda yung result, you can do it few times. Okay, you can redo it until you are satisfied sa kanyang sinasabi. Okay? So, sabi niya dito, tonight is about learning. So, kung i-click natin yan, tingnan natin kung anong result. Wait lang natin na 100%. Excited na ba kayo? While waiting, no? Hi, Coach. Good morning. I'm watching from Saudi Arabia. Elisa, watch the replay, okay? Para hindi mo ma-miss yung natin training. I-watch mo yung
Hi
replay.
guys! Excited na ba kayo? Tonight is about learning! Hi guys! Excited na ba kayo? Tonight is about learning!
Alright. Anong naririnig nyo? Anong sabi niya? Excited na ba kayo? Tonight is about learning. What do you think about it, guys? Type kayo. Sandali ano ko muna. Parang hindi ko kayo nakikita yung mga messages niya. Parang nakahang ako eh. Sandali ha. Ayun. Hello, Coach. Good morning. I'm watching from Marikina. Yes, done. Like, share. Okay. Okay. Hello, Coach. Pinky. Ano yun? Okay, guys. So, naririnig nyo. What do you think about it? Are you okay with the result? Okay? Medyo late talaga. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga messages nyo. Okay. So, you can do it like that. Or maybe tingnan natin kung pwede natin siyang palitan. Kunyari, naghawak. Ganito guys, kahit maghawak. I-try natin yung ibang picture. Hindi lang like selfie. Okay, let's do another one. Okay? So, let's get out in there. But anyway. Ganito na lang. Huwag muna natin yung complication. Okay? Focus natin isang picture lang. So, ito lang, no? So, kunyari, happy ka na. Okay ang result, Coach. Okay, kunyari, happy ka na sa result. Ang gagawin natin is, pwede mo na siyang, di ba makita ito? Pwede mo na siyang i-download. Okay, pag i-download mo na siya, meron ka na, diretso na yun sa yung gallery. Then, pwede mo na siyang i-post. Take note, every time mag-make ka dito, 6 seconds lang siya. Okay? So, kung gusto mong gumawa talaga ng yung whole script, pwede din yun. Pero you have to do it line by line until you are satisfied. Okay? Like me, I make like 4 clips with the same picture, different pinapaano ko na ibang wording, everything. Until na matapos yung, kunyari, nag-talk ako ng about super greens. So, dapat may mga 4 lines yun. I-ano mo siya. And then, after that, you can do it in CapCut and you can edit. But that is a different training, okay? Para medyo complicated na yun. Pero ito, isang video lang, you can already post it. Pwede mo na siyang i-post sa reel mo, parang gano'n, okay? So, once okay ka na, pwede na natin i-download, okay? So, i-download natin. So, lalabas yung download started, okay? So, pagtapos na yan, nandyan na yan sa yung gallery. Okay, hold on. Let me just, i-ano natin kung clear ba yun. So, yun, no? Meron kang, pwede mo siyang gawan ng prompt, okay? Pwede mo siyang, bahala ka kung anong gusto mo. Sabihin mo, okay, dapat lagyan mo ng slow. You can say Tagalog, you can say Bisaya, it will still understand. Okay? So, kung gusto mo, okay, pwede gawan mo ako ng, like, create a vertical video para with this photo, okay? Create a short vertical video of this photo. Lagyan mo ng slow effect. Tapos, lagyan mo ng background music. Tapos make it like parang motivational. It will make ganun. So whatever you want on your mind, ilagay nyo doon, dyan sa prompt, dito sa baba, and then gagawa ng video. As long na happy ka, kung di ka happy, you keep doing it. Okay, pindutin mo lang ito. Okay. Now, kasi nga, di ba, free ito. So, palagi kang gumagawa, so, parang mag-ano ka din sa limit. So, ito yung ginagawa ko, guys. Kung ayaw nyo talagang magbayad, okay? May other account ako, so doon naman ako mag-login. Tapos, hintayin ko na mag-lift yung balik niya naman ako. Ganun lang ginagawa ko para hindi talaga makabayad. Para, diba? Diba, ang point natin is to make something na hindi tayo mag-spend, okay? Kung about savings, so about free thing, this is me, okay? So, yeah. Kung pwede hindi mabayad, hindi talaga mabayad. Kasi, yeah, yun. So, kaya dito, follow kayo sa akin para malalaman yung mga sekreto ko. 16 million viewers, yes! 17 million na! Alright. So, sandali nga, tingnan ko nga sa chat. Naintindihan nyo ba, guys? Na-follow nyo ba? Na you can explain it like, kailangan, lang, pang short lang, okay? Pang reels, Tapos, i-ano nyo na vertical kasi para sa phone, di ba? Slow zoom para gumagalaw-galaw naman minsan, Tapos, yung i-ano nyo rin yung emotion niya na pwede expression niya, natural lang, wag masyadong excited o ganun. So, depende na sa inyo, guys. Thank you so much, Coach, for sharing this. Yes, you are welcome. And you can do it. Guys, all you need to do is picture. Ang napakaganda nito, guys, kasi mukha mo talaga. Hindi mag-change yung mukha mo. Right? Parang, whatever yung picture mo, yun talaga ang lalabas. Okay? Now, okay. So, now, na-generate na natin, no? So, kahit one photo lang, may galaw na, may buhay na, tapos para pang pwede nang ikwento. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung saan na siya ngayon. Kasi dapat, pag naka-download na, save na yun automatic sa iyong gallery. Okay, pakita natin sa ating, hanapin natin sa ko. So, kung good na tayo dyan, punta tayo sa aking gallery. Ito na siya. At hindi mag-music, kumapinda. But anyway, yan, right? Nakita nyo na? Kasi, okay. Yan natin, balik tayo sa aking, balik na tayo dito. Okay, so yun. Guys, pwede nyo na itong i-post sa inyong reels. Okay, i-stop ko muna sharing ko kasi tapos na tayo. Okay, tapos na tayo. Okay, balik na tayo sa ano. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, basahin ko muna kung naintindihan nyo ba ang aking training, guys. Diba? Napaka-simple, no? Napaka-simple. Okay? Sabi ni Coach Isabel, yes, thank you so much for sharing this. Yes, you are welcome. Yes, coach. Na-try ko na po. O, diba? Ang bilis-bilis. Ganito ha. Kung sino yung nakagawa ng group, guys, please, mag-post kayo, no? Kung mag-post kayo, itag nyo ako. Okay, itag nyo ako kasi gusto kong makita. Si Leslie, nakita ko siya, ginawa niya talaga yung, yung CapCut na training ko yesterday. Okay? Gawin nyo, guys. Huwag nyo i-take for granted kasi talagang gamit na gamit ito, guys. Okay? Well understood. Thank you, Coach Isabel. Yes. Na-follow po ang galing. Yes. Thank you. So, gawan nyo. Any picture, kahit hindi yung mukha nyo, guys, kahit ilagay nyo lang yung picture ng one product, tapos sabihin mo na, paggalawin mo nga ito. Talaga, guys. Whatever your command, yun ang gagawin. Talagang napaka-easy. At talagang gustong-gusto ko to kasi hindi ka magbabayad. Kasi sa CapCut, may mga credits. Okay? Ito, talagang libre. Okay? So, this is very, very useful. Lalo na sa, gusto mo lang mag-content na, you don't want to expend. You don't want to spend. Okay, Coach, gawa ako ng video niyan. Tag kita. Yes, itag niyo ako. Kahit kayo, lahat guys, lahat nandito, no, tag nyo ako guys. Napaka-easy. I-follow nyo mamaya, napaka-easy talaga. Okay? Alright, so yun, no? Consistency tayo guys. Post kayo ng post. Wala na kayong problema. Punta ka lang sa, kasi ang napakaganda niyan. I-command mo lang kung anong gusto mo ng picture mo. Sabihin mo, let her say like, hello guys, good morning, magkape na tayo, parang ganun. O if you are holding coffee, okay? Parang ganun lang, easy, everything is easy. Okay, so kung post kayo ng post, sabi nga nila, consistency beat quality, okay? So, keep posting, keep doing it, and you will get better, okay? Alright, so reminder tayo sa ating, guys, sa ating raffle na naman, no? Kasali sa raffle kapag nasa live ko, nakikipag-interact, sumunod sa training, and then, of course, react, share, and comment done. Okay? So, January 26 to 31, yung nag-join sa akin, following my guidelines, I'll be picking sa January 31, raffle day natin yan, 1,000 peso winner. Okay? Winner natin. And then 4 na tagpa 500. Okay, now, ito na. Alam ko, gustong-gusto nyo ng games. Ito nyo yung hinihintay nyo, no? Gamit na gamit ko po yan. Pang reels ko po. Yes! Ang importante dito, guys, lalo na kung taga-live good ka, no? Lalo na taga-live good ka, we are doing ito lang ko, no? Kasi di ba may whitelisting program tayo sa Live Good, no? Na parang ads. Medyo AI ayaw nila. Talagang siya parang kailangan real. Talagang ikaw nagsasalita. Yun ang ng whitelisting. Pero kung gusto mo lang i-advertise yung Live Good, advertise mo sa sarili mo, like para sa yung mga audience, sa yung mga followers. This is a good thing. Kasi guys, kahit mag-hold ka lang ng coffee or any product, magganon ka lang ng picture mo, no? With the product, tapos mo sa group, yan. Magsasalita yan na, uy, this is the organic coffee. Talagang para ka nag-advertise. Ang ganda guys, ang ganda. Kaya follow, do it talaga, do it. Alright, woohoo, nakaka-addict mag-edit another learning. Right, dami guys, ang dami. Pero easy lang tin-teach ko sa inyo kasi ayoko kayong ma-overwhelm, okay? So, kung may mga tanong kayo, let me know so that we will talk about it and i-ano ko sa inyo. Basta alam ko lang ha, kasi yung mga basic din kasi sa akin, hindi yung masyadong complicated. Nakakagawa din ako ng mga template, oo. Pero hindi ko masyadong kino-concentrate, pero I'm doing also template like, with the music, with the transition, with all the effect, pwede din yan. Pero, let me know guys, anong gusto nyo tomorrow, okay? Finish posting my video and tag you. Oh, grabe, Isabel, ang bilis. Okay, tag me ha, and I'll check it later. Okay, yung mga nakagawa, no? Yung hindi pa nakagawa, gawin nyo guys, gawin nyo. Alright? So now, type kayo guys, gusto nyo ba ng game number 2 natin? Game number 2? Type kayo, game 2 tayo guys. Woho, nakaka-addict. Gamit na gamit. Okay. Okay, coach. Gawa ako. Okay. Finish posting. So, type kayo game 2 if you want game 2. Guys, 40 minutes na pala ako na live. Oh my God. Ilang games lang ang magagawa natin today, no? Pero it's okay, no? Sulit naman. Sulit. Matagal pala ang video ko. Akala ko madali lang yun. Okay, Rina girl. Okay. Type kayo game 2 kasi meron tayong 14 million viewers. Tapos bukas guys, tomorrow is our day 5. Okay, day 5 natin tomorrow. And let me know kung anong gusto nyong itopic natin. Pero after my live here, no, do not forget 12 o'clock. Okay, meron tayong Zoom training sa mga taga-Live Good lang ito. Actually, kahit hindi ka Live Good, you can always join anyway. Ano yun, sa corporate training, okay? Sa corporate, mag-ano sila, may Zoom sila every Thursday. Sa bagay, ila-live ko din naman sa aking YouTube. Okay? Mag-live ako sa YouTube. Alright, game to. Okay? Since you want game to. Ang gawin natin, guys, what's on my mind tayo, guys? Okay? Yung game natin, what's on your mind? Okay. What's on your mind right now, guys? Okay, number 1. Ang pipiliin ko is number 21, okay? What's on your mind right now? One word. Okay, ChatGPT, prompt. Okay. Sige, mag-prompt na ano tayo. Tuturuan ko kayo. Ang dali lang, guys. Ang dali lang ng prompt ng ChatGPT. Kasi alam mo, ang ChatGPT is para mo lang niyang ka-chat, okay? I-command mo lang siya. So, kunyari, i-ano ko, sige mag-ano tayo sa ChatGPT. Okay? Kasi ang ano kasi sa ChatGPT, kausapin nyo lang naman eh. Kunyari, okay. Iyan ko kayo, number 21, anong feeling nyo today? Alright, learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Alright, I got Teresa. I'm guessing that is learn, Teresa, right? Okay, Teresa, thank you so much. You are one winner, meaning you will get an extra raffle entry for our raffle. Okay, may excited. Serena excited learning, si Leslie, si Sherilyn learning, si Brabs learning, Teresa learning. Okay? Learning to learn more, okay? Sherilyn. Alright. Hungry for learning. Alam ko mas marami kang alam dyan, Coach Isabel. Pero, sabi ko nga kahapon, no, kasi ang training ko yesterday is about CapCut, yung template lang, using template. I know a lot of, maybe my audience knows about it, pero meron din namang hindi alam, no? So, ako kasi, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung easy, yung hindi ako naghihirap, okay? Kasi di ba sinasabi nga is, you need to work smarter, not harder. Okay? Kung meron namang template na pwede mo na lang gawin, lagyan mo na lang ng picture mo, ba't hindi mo gawin? But you need to, pero kung gusto mo nang talagang matuto, you can also do that anyway. But, kung may time ka, kung wala kang time, why not do the fast one, right? Agree ba kayo sa akin? Thank you sa mga nag-type. Thank you, Coach. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Teresa. Agree ba kayo sa akin, guys, na mas gusto nyo yung mas madali kaysa mag-ano? I mean, kailangan din natin matuto, di ba? Pero para na yun sa mga expert talaga, guys. Bakit paghirapan natin ang sarili kung meron namang madali lang? Naku, Coach, beginner lang po, hindi. No, okay. Pero, it's okay. So ngayon, pwede na kayong maggawa ng picture niyo, maghawa kayo ng coffee. And ang napakaganda, guys, mukha talaga natin, no? Mukha. Ang problema lang doon, hindi boses natin. I don't know if we can do it, pero kung gusto mo, walang boses, you know, okay lang naman eh. You can always like, you know, voice over mo, di ba? So, yun. Mas maganda. Naku, okay, done. Alright. Guys, ang bilis ng time, 46 minutes. So, okay, sandali lang. So, ano pa bang, ano natin dito? Okay, type kayo ng game 2 kung gusto nyo pa ng game 2. Okay? Ay, game 3 pala, game 3. Type game 3 if you want game 3. Okay. Type game 3 if you want game 3 and I'll give you another. So while you are typing, mag-ano muna tayo, paalala muna natin, no, na kailangan, guys, makinig kayo sa akin. Okay, while you're typing na gusto, agree. Thank you sa nag-agree, no, sa akin, na it's better talaga na, ano, pero, kung, para sa akin, guys, di ba mahilig tayo ng shortcut. Hindi dahil tamad tayo, hindi dahil mahina tayo. Okay? We're just doing it kasi we want it more like mas madali, di ba? Bakit nga sabi ko kanina, why work harder when you can do it smarter? Right? So, if you stay until the end sa aking live, guys, that means na you care for me. Okay? You care sa aking live. And I thank you, everyone. And I'm very proud of you na really want to learn. Okay? So, tomorrow, I want, okay, game 3 tayo. Pero mamaya, tatanungin ko kayo mamaya kung ano. Gusto ko malaman kung anong gustong topic ang gusto nyo tomorrow. Okay? Kung gusto nyo ba, ituro ko sa inyo kung paano mag-transition, kung paano, okay, kung gusto nyong gumawa, kung gusto mong gamitin natin ang group, tapos gawa tayo ng one video using group, bali 4 kinds of script. Okay, na script. Bali, like for example, gawa tayo ng script ng Super Green, okay? Tapos gagawin natin siyang isang video. Like may hook tayo. Okay, may hook, tapos i-mention mo yung problem, tapos ano yung solution, tapos mag-call to action tayo at the end. Kung gusto nyo yan, we can do that as well. Okay, so let me know. We can do that. It might be a very lengthy guys, training. Kasi nga, we have to make 4 videos. Pero siguro, gawin ko na ang video, pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung paano natin gagawin. Okay? Okay, game 3 tayo. Pero mamaya, gusto ko maano sa inyo, no? Kung ano talaga ang gusto nyo. Alright? Okay. Okay, game 3 tayo and I'm picking number 22, no? Pero ang gawin natin, bago muna tayo mag-game 3, gusto ko makita isang ready dyan, kung ready na kayo so that we can, this is still what's on your mind, meaning, whatever on your mind, there's no right or wrong, okay? Pero ang pampipiliin ko, number 22 na nag-type, aba, gusto ko game 3. So, Coach Efren. Namimiss na kita. Ang tagal-tagal mo nang hindi nag-join sa live ko. Okay, ready. Na-miss mo yung training ko, Coach Efren, okay? Napakaganda ng training ko earlier, yesterday and today. So kung gusto mo, watch the replay later para makita mo kung paano gagawin, okay? Ready? Yan, I see ready. Okay. So what's on your mind tayo? What's on your mind? Okay. What's on your mind? Ready? Ito na. One thing you want to start but keep delaying. Gusto nyo na mag-start, okay? Pero nadidelay. Ano ba yon? Gusto nyo na mag-start pero nadidelay, delay. So, yun. No right or wrong, okay? Kung whatever comes on your mind. One thing you want to start but keep delaying. Okay, number 22 tayo. Alright. I see Coach Efren laughing. Ready. Okay, Rowena Candinato. Yes, Carolyn. Okay. Love you too, Coach Isabel. So, i-ano nyo ha, mamaya mag-ano tayo. Itanong ko sa inyo kung ano talagang gusto nyo gawin. For tomorrow, maybe we will do that. But I have to get ready kasi kailangan ko ipakita, kailangan ko i-show. Alright, sabi ni Teresa. Gusto na daw niyang mag-business, okay? Rina girl, showing up. Okay, you show up every day, okay? Okay, 1, 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Business daw kay Teresa. Maggawa ng video si Coach. Okay? Gawa ka na ng video. Huwag na kayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Aba, Teresa! Mas swerte ka today, Teresa. Okay, winner natin, Gemma, Teresa. Oh my goodness, grabe naman kayo. So, si Teresa, gusto daw niya mag-start ng business. Coach Teresa, meron ka naman business eh. Kailangan mo lang i-concentrate, okay? Itong live good natin. Alright, si Coach Robert, gusto mag-video. Okay, Gemma, mag-video. Gem. Okay, gawa ka na, gamitin mo ang group. Okay, gamitin mo ang group. Take ka lang ng isang picture mo. At bigyan mo ng script, okay? All you have to do is sabihin nyo lang, make her say. And then yung word, kung anong dapat isabi niya, okay? Tapos you can always make it kung hindi ka happy sa kanyang reaction. So you can always redo it. Okay? Redo it. And then, guys, napaka-easy talaga to guys. Alam mo ba na yung asawa ko, yun ang ginagawa. Alam mo ba na nagba-viral na yung video niya? Sabi ko nga, grabe, it's still doing it right now. Like talaga guys, nagba-viral yung video niya. Kaya, kasi siya, very aggressive, nagpa-post talaga everyday. At may time siya. Guys, siguro ko sa inyo, meron akong sa inyo guys, no? Maybe tomorrow, let's talk about it. Yung posting time, kung anong dapat gawin. Gusto nyo yan? Tomorrow, that's our topic. Kung anong oras dapat mag-post, kung anong dapat i-post. Guys, kasi natutunan ko din ito. And it's showing my posting is getting better, more views now. Nandun na, nakikita mo na yung niya, mas maganda na ang labas ng Tapos, pina-follow ng asawa ko. Ako kasi, ang dami ko kasing post, ibang style. May sayaw, may motivational. Pero yung asawa ko, one niche lang talaga siya. And alam niyo guys, nag-viral na yung mga video niya. Kasi yung sa kanya, isa lang. Ang ano sa kanya is more on sa kanya nag-create talaga siya ng bagong account at tapos yung ano niya is, ang niche niya is dad joke. Yun, ngayon, ang dami-dami, sabi ko, nagsiselos na ako sa'yo kasi ang dami-dami mo ng ano, yung isang video niya, mga almost 2,000 shares na. Sabi ko, what the? Guys, follow instruction talaga siya, nangyayari. Alright. Gusto coach, okay. Okay, we are 55 minutes. We can still have one game. And then after one game, pag-isipan nyo na kung anong gusto nyo topic tomorrow. Kung gusto nyo topic tomorrow, it's about training ng computer, or I can still talk about tomorrow kung paano. Kasi may natutunan ko din ito guys, no? Natutunan ko to na yung strategy. How to kung gusto mo ang natutunan dito sa isang influencer, how to get 150,000 views and maybe earn at least 10,000 followers. Sa akin hindi pa, no, kasi hindi talaga ako nagpa-follow, but my husband did. Okay, and I see it talaga guys na nangyayari sa kanya. So, I'm thinking I'm gonna do another kasi yung yung topic ko kasi is all over the place. So, kaya medyo nahirapan ang algorithm. You know, you really need to have one niche, right? Alright, Teresa, gusto daw ni Teresa. Gusto coach. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's have another one game, number 4 game. And then, mag-closing na tayo kasi nga, di ba, 1 hour lang tayo. Okay? Malapit na tayo, guys. Okay, so ready? Sige, type na, ready? Ready na kayo for our number 4 game. And I'm picking number 19. Number 19 na nag-type, okay? Ito yun guys, type ready. Bago kayo mag-type na ready para ma-start na tayo. Okay, let me see one ready. Okay. Ito na. Yung number 19 na nag-type, no? Ano ang gagawin nyo, guys? Ano ang gagawin nyo after this live? Anong gagawin nyo? There's no right or wrong answer, no? What's on your mind? Ano ang gagawin nyo after this live? Matulog na? Gagawa ng video? I-try ang group? I-watch ang replay para matutunan uli yung ko? No? Guys, if you learn something in this video guys, o gusto nyong matuto yung iba, i-share para naman marami tayo no na i-share kasi I'm really sure na makakatulong ito sa mga hindi marunong mag-content, you know what I mean? Okay. Mag-zoom? Okay, mag-zoom daw si 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, mag-edit ng video. 13, practice what you have learned. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, ayun! I see Robert, Brad Vlog. You have extra raffle entry, Robert. Okay, so sabi ni Robert, magawa daw siya ng video sa group. Ay, hindi pala yun. Si ano pala yun? Si Coach Isabel. Okay? Ang sabi ni Robert, mag-zoom daw siya. May Zoom meeting pala siya mamaya. Okay. Leonor, try to do video. Try ang video. Mag-edit ng video na sa group. Sabi ni Coach Isabel. Okay. Alright. Gemma, matulog na. Gem, matulog ka na talaga, Gem. Yes. I know it's late, right? Pero do not forget to make one video, guys. One video and please tag me. Alam ko na may gumagawa na, so mamaya i-check ko yung ano nyo, no? Yung ginagawa nyo. I'm so excited, guys. Kasi hindi nyo lang alam how excited I am when I learned this group na pwede free, na pwede ka lang mag ano ng, talagang nakakaano, guys. Madami mong magawang content dito. Alright, thank you. Try mag-video, sabi ni Coach Mila. Alright. So, guys, no? 1 hour na tayo, no? So, one last question. Anong gusto nyong training bukas? Gusto nyo yung strategy na na about posting time, mga ganon? Or gusto nyo ng editorial na naman ng about whatever for like CapCut? Or kung gusto nyo sa TikTok na kahit anong nandyan sa yung, kasi alam ko, ang iba, no? Alam na nila ito, guys. Pero kung meron kayong gustong malaman, kasi nga, hindi naman tayo lahat expert dito, no? Ako, kung anong isinishare ko, kasi that's what I have been doing. Yun ang alam ko. Pero alam ko, mas marami pang expert na talagang elaborated na yun sa kanila. Ang sa atin dito, guys, pang ano lang ito, pang strategies about editing. Okay? Strategies about editing. Ano ko yan, no? So, okay. Gusto nyo na lang? Parang gagawa tayo ng isang video using Grok and using ChatGPT. Gusto ko muna yung strategy ng timing para mas maraming views at followers. Okay. So, strategies ng views and following. Okay? Okay? Ano pa? Gusto ni Coach Isabel, strategy ng timing para mas marami ang views at followers, strategy to have more views. Okay? So, dalawa na, okay? Tama, okay? Okay? Strategies to learning best anything that can help us. Okay? Alright. Okay. Okay, sige. Bukas, guys, is about strategy kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng more followings and viewers. Okay? Why I'm so excited about this? Kasi sabi ko nga, I learned this already. Pero, hindi ko ina-apply sa aking account. Okay? It's not applied. Pero tinuro ko to sa asawa ko. Okay? Sinabi ko na, ganun pala. So, he's been doing, and his video talaga, bago lang ito sa kanya, bago lang ito niya ginagawa, no? Pero alam mo ba, guys, nag-ano na siya, meron na siyang nagba-viral na videos. Hindi masyadong viral na million. Ewan ko kung ilang views na siya ngayon. Pero, kasi tingnan ko kanina, mga nasa 250,000 views. Pero guys, kahit gano'n, no, wala kang followers. Ang followers niya, 300 lang. Pero yung video yan, lumabas. That's what, kasi sa content kasi yan eh. Kailangan focus ka sa one niche, okay? Kaya yun ang pag-usapan natin tomorrow. The learning coach. Yes, coach, I have ChatGPT na, but I want na more how to use it. Okay. So, ganitong gawin natin. So tomorrow, we will talk about strategy muna. Since you know naman how to make a video through template. Okay, so that's part. And then meron na tayong group. Okay? So, ang gawin, alam nyo naman ang gawin ng group, pinaka-easy lang naman. Kahit wala ng chat GPT yan, ang sabihin nyo lang, i-command nyo lang yung picture mo, gagawin na. Okay? So, pwede na yun. Yun lang muna ipopost nyo. Okay? Pero tomorrow, we will be talking about views, kung paano maging yung maraming followers. Kasi gusto ko lang i-mention. Of course, hindi naman ito 1 hour, no? Kasi meron pa tayong pa-games. Pero we will be talking about that tomorrow para maano natin and kung ano yung time, kung ano yung ano, para tayong may topic naman. Okay? So, yes! Sandali. Thank you for your free training and games. We are truly blessed, Coach. Yes, I am actually trained too, no? Kasi kung ano yung nalalaman ko, kung ina-apply ko, talagang magsisink in sa isip ko. Kasi, di ba, parang once I've been like, okay, gawa natin to, gawin natin to, parang maano din yung mind mo na, ganun pala. Kasi alam niyo ba, guys, bago ako nag-start, bago ako nag-training dito, ginagawa ko muna, like, paano ko ba to i-show sa inyo, no? Kanina, like, kailangan naka-ready yun. Tapos, bago ko sasabihin ito sa inyo, pinapractice ko muna kung anong dapat kong gawin, ito papakita ko sa inyo, para sa inyo na nanonood, hindi kayo malilito na, ano ba yun, nag-jump. So, guys, training din ito sa akin to show you how to do it, right? So, kaya everything here, hindi lang kayo nagle-learn din ako. That's why I'm doing this. Napaka-excited. Yes, thank you, Coach Isabel. Ikaw din naman, ang dami din naman. So, I'm just sharing this because I really want to do this. And of course, kung mga parapol ko is just only showing na I'm very na I really appreciate everyone na nag-support sa akin. Alright, thank you, Coach, for the free training about posting and videos. Yes, God bless. Alright, guys, ayoko na kayong malate, no? Because it's already 1 hour. So, again, no? Don't miss. Gawa kayo ng sandali. Gawa kayo ng video nyo. Itag nyo ako, okay? Para naman ako, matingnan ko yung mga video nyo, tsaka makapag-interact, okay? So, final reminder na tayo, okay? Kasi late na, 1 hour na. Again, congratulations, Gemma, Teresa, and Brabs for extra raffle entry. Okay, so, last reminder, guys, no? Join my live. Nag-start tayo January 26 to 31. Be present, be engaged. Okay, kasi meron tayong winner. 5 na tag 1,000 peso, okay? And then 4 winners na 500. And please, kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa akin, please follow me sa aking personal, Sturgeon Pinky, or Pinky Sturgeon. Akin pa rin yun, no? And dito sa page ko, Live Good with Pinky, okay? So, ano tayo, guys? Mag-teach tayo slowly with the, yung honesty natin, yung dapat naka-stay plugged in tayo, no? So, kaya I'm here because I really, really wanna share value. Yun ang pinaka-importante. I want to share value talaga, guys. Okay? So, yeah. So, 1 hour na tayo and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, yung training natin tomorrow is about views. Yung timing, sabi nga ni kanina ni Coach, tawag nito. So, basahin ko na. Sabi ni Coach Isabelita, okay, gusto niya ng strategy ng timing para mas marami tayong views and followers. So, tomorrow, punta kayo dito. Okay? Same time, ha? Alright. So, thank you again, Yunor, Coach Isabel, Leslie, Brad, Gemma Concepcion, Teresa, sino pa bang nandito? Mila Tolentino, Rowena, Yunor. Oops, nawala na. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, and see you tomorrow. So, kung hindi pa kayo ng group, watch the replay so that malaman nyo. And please make your own video, guys. Napaka-exciting nito. Alright? Love you, guys! See you tomorrow.